Welcome to TJ Works Wood, everybody. If you're a first-time visitor, welcome. Uh, if you like the video, like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. I've got a new build today. This is something you can actually find a million builds on. It's an air filtration system. I'm just kind of using the knowledge I gained from watching a million of these builds from other YouTube creators and just kind of slapping something together that I know will work well and be efficient, but it's nothing special. So we're just going to zip through this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Like I said, if you're a new viewer, like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. All right, let's see what we can do here.
got both sides done. There and there. Yeah, both sides done. Now I'm going to do up the wiring, and I got this 4-hour switch so I can like actually just turn it on and then let it run for a few hours, or up to 4 hours, and then yeah, it'll buff the air, hopefully. So yeah, let me get this finished up, get the wiring done, and then we'll see if we can put it up there. Ugh. Well, all right. That was a fun, interesting build. Overall, this cost me $60. I found the, let's just round up to 100 just to whatever. For the switch, this great, the hardware here, the blower I got off Craigslist for $10. Whatever. Cord I already had. All this wood is, I guess, what you would call scrap wood or spare wood. And yeah, so it works great. And one thing that I really like about it, real quiet. I don't know if you can hear it or not on my phone here, but it barely makes any noise. And it's kind of nice here in Texas. It gets hot, so I can just stand right here and get some clean, fresh, filtered air blowing on me. But yeah, pretty excited about it. Just taking it off. Just gonna slide it out. You got your 3 filters here. Same on this side. Get it back in. Just put it up there. Pull it across. It's not the smoothest fit, but whatever. And there. Is it airtight? Absolutely not, but close enough. It's gonna filter quite a bit of air. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave some comments down below. I'd like to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 139 as of right now, so quite a ways off. But you know, it'd be cool if you'd subscribe. But no worries if you don't want to. I get it. So anyway, enjoy your day, your evening, your night, your summer, your weekend, your winter, your spring, whatever. We've got some more stuff to build. Wish me luck. Have a good one.